Alright, today we're going to take a look at the table that I made for my 79 Westphalia. The table is the standard table out of a 74 Westphalia, the standard dining room table. So I rigged it to extend on the outside here. It seems a little bit more useful for me. It's great for tailgating and camping and whatnot. I primarily use it for my grill, for cooking and whatnot. The table is constructed of DOM tubing. There are no legs. It completely floats. There's a DOM tubing, DOM hinge in the back here. This is also DOM tubing. I've just welded a plug in it. DOM tubing for the hinge, allowing it to fold down. Another DOM tubing or plug. I filled the bottom with ball bearings and grease, so it's makes a good hinge. Up in there's just a little wing there that you can tighten up, and that locks the table vertically in place. The main support of the table comes from this piece of square tubing right here that runs to the back to the main hinge, and there's a pin in that hinge to lock it out. So there is no support on this side of the table due to this guy right here, which slides away. It is a handy little addition though, gives you a little extra room for spices and whatnot. So I will show you now how it folds away. If I could set this camera up here. Alright. Roll away. Alright. Back under here was that wing that I was showing before, that it's just a bolt with a little handle on it. You loosen that up, and that allows you to raise it up. You tighten it, lock it in place. There's a pin on top here that we pull out, and that allows the table to swing in and out on the bearings down at the bottom, which actually work pretty well. We can put the pin back in here. If it wants to cooperate. And now if we pull the pin in the back, well, first I'm actually going to show you, you can also spin the chair around. The chair still can spin around. And now if we spin the chair around, we have a little dining room, a little dinner table to eat at. See if you can see that here. It's a little table. You can still sit at the chair and then sit at the table for working on something or eating. And then if we pull this pin, it's in the back. That allows the table to fold down and out of the way. For storage, for when you're driving down the road. It actually folds up pretty good, gets out of the way. And that's the table.